On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. So, first thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then you have to wait a few seconds right here on this page, and after that you have to scroll until you find TikTok, click on it, and then click on this force stop option and go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all the options here and go back and go into the storage and click on this clear cache right here. Go back and now you have to go into the Play Store and search for TikTok and click update, and you can do the same thing on iPhone. And after you update your TikTok, make sure also that you download the CapCut app. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.